concluded after the 3,000-pound SUV fell on her, lymph hemorrhaged into her lungs, and died from asphyxiation. The only marks on her body? Imprints from the brake rotor. The local Douglas County Sheriff's Department opened an investigation, but a few days later, the coroner ruled Lynn's death an accident. The case was closed.
Did you have any reason to believe this wasn't an accident?
No, we all believed him and took him at his word. Any thoughts that I might have had to just dismissed?
Harold had his wife cremated, spread her ashes on a mountain he said she loved, and went on with his life. He even kept driving this same Jeep for a while. Eventually, he married Tony, and his death became a distant memory. For some people anyway, but not all. Nearly 18 years later, after Tony fell off that cliff, the sheriff's office called Patricia Montoya.
I don't understand why it took so long.
EMT Roxanne Burns got a similar call and had a similar reaction. When you got the call, it was sort of like, I was expecting this call.
Yeah, I did say that too. I said, is this about the car accident up on 67? And he said, yeah, it is. And I go, is it about that woman that the car fell on her? And he goes, yep. I go, oh, thank God.